What mistakes do I see new businesses or new ventures in China making? One of the easiest and top mistakes I've seen is underestimating the need for top Chinese quality writing. Oftentimes, companies will just employ an intern, a university student, or someone they barely know to write their Chinese content, thinking that it couldn't be that hard. However, this is a huge mistake. Writing in Chinese is much more complicated than it is in English. Quality content is going to be what's going to drive results for you in China. So don't underestimate the need to hire a true professional in creating the content for your business. Having poorly translated Chinese or Chinese copywriting is going to really hurt your business in subtle ways. Chinese consumers are much more advanced, expecting businesses to make the effort to really see and understand eye to eye and ear to ear. Don't make that mistake, and you'll at least be a little closer to seeing the results you hope to see in the Chinese market. If you need any help or have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out to us.